Ever thought your morning brew could get even better? What if we told you there's a simple ingredient hiding in your spice rack that can transform your coffee into a health-boosting, flavor-packed delight? Stay tuned because today, we're revealing the incredible magic that happens when you add cloves to your coffee. You won't believe the benefits and taste. So let's get brewing. Cloves might just be the secret ingredient your morning brew has been missing. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be rushing to your kitchen to give this a try. What are cloves? First things first, let's talk about what cloves actually are. These tiny, dried flower buds come from the clove tree, native to Indonesia. Known for their warm, sweet, and slightly peppery flavor, cloves are a staple in many spice racks around the world. Historically, cloves have been prized for their medicinal properties and were once worth their weight in gold. Ancient civilizations used them for their anti-inflammatory and analgesic benefits, and they were a popular remedy for toothaches and digestive issues. The health benefits of cloves. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the health benefits of cloves. Adding just a pinch of the spice to your coffee can have some impressive effects on your well-being. Rich in antioxidants. Cloves are packed with antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. In fact, cloves contain more antioxidants per gram than most other spices and herbs. Boosts immune system. Cloves can give your immune system a significant boost. Thanks to their antimicrobial properties, cloves can help your body fight off infections and keep you feeling your best. Enhances digestion. If you suffer from bloating or indigestion, adding cloves to your coffee might help soothe your stomach and promote better digestion. Reduces inflammation. Cloves have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially easing conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. All right, enough talk about benefits. Let's see how we can actually incorporate cloves into our coffee. There are a couple of ways to do this, and I'm going to show you my favorite method. Method 1. Simply add a pinch of ground cloves to your coffee grounds before brewing. This will infuse your coffee with a subtle, spicy flavor that complements the richness of the coffee. Method 2. If you use a French press, add a few whole cloves to your coffee grounds and let them steep together. This will give you a more pronounced clove flavor and aroma. Now for the moment of truth, the taste test. The aroma is just heavenly. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, the cloves add a warm, spicy note that enhances the coffee's natural flavors. It's like a cozy hug in a mug. If you love chai or spice lattes, you're going to adore this clove-infused coffee. Clove coffee variations. Feeling adventurous? Here are a few variations you can try to take your clove coffee experience to the next level. Variation 1. Clove and cinnamon coffee. The combination of cloves and cinnamon creates a warming, fragrant brew perfect for chilly mornings. Variation 2. Clove and cardamom coffee. This blend brings an exotic twist to your cup, reminiscent of traditional Indian masala chai. Variation 3. Clove and nutmeg coffee. This stew adds a rich, creamy depth to your coffee, making it a delightful treat any time of the day. The science behind clove-infused coffee. Let's delve into the science of why adding cloves to your coffee can be so beneficial. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. When combined with coffee, which is already rich in antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, you get a powerful blend that can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. The caffeine in coffee can also enhance the absorption of certain nutrients and compounds found in cloves, making this a synergistic combination that boosts the benefits of both. How to store and use cloves. To get the most out of your cloves, it's important to store them properly. Keep whole cloves in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Ground cloves can lose their potency faster, so it's best to grind them fresh when you need them. Investing in a good spice grinder can make a huge difference in the flavor and aroma of your clove-infused coffee. And there you have it, folks. Adding cloves to your coffee isn't just about spicing things up. It's about enhancing your health and enjoying a richer, more flavorful brew. So why not give it a try? Experiment with different variations and let us know your favorite in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing coffee tips and health hacks. See you next time, and happy brewing!